Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2009 Mercedes Benz E Class. So from any screen, we're on sat nav at the moment. If we go to telephone, you've got call lists on the right, name, telephone. Call list is grayed out, so there's no phone connected to it at the moment. So you're on name there or telephone. So we'll turn the rotary selector to, we'll get to telephone and then click it. Then you've got Bluetooth telephones, address book, import contacts. Well, we want Bluetooth telephones. You see there, if you were going to pair a mobile now, you'd click on update, but you can see there my phone. So I just turn the selector to highlight my phone, and then you've got options here which is grayed out. So we knock the selector across towards me, that highlights options. We select options, and the first one is deauthorize, then you've got details, then reception, volume and transmission, but we want deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone 11? Yes. That's it, gone.